Did you know that Labradorite is your #1 crystal for new moon energy? Gather your Labradorite stones and join us under the new moon to replenish your body, bathe your soul, and usher in the new beginnings that you desire. On the day or night of the new moon, go outside and do this meditation under the sky if possible. Otherwise, find a comfortable place near a windowsill. Gather as many Labradorite crystals and jewelry pieces as you can find. Light a candle, burn incense or sage to set the mood, and have a glass of water and a set of Moki marbles or your favorite grounding stones nearby for after the meditation. The new moon is upon you, and you are ready to capture its magical powers through your Labradorite crystals. You are ready to release the old energy and embrace the tides of change. You are ready to shatter your identity and transform into a brighter, newer you. You are ready for a new moon bath. As you hold your Labradorite stones in your hand, breathe in their essence. With each deep breath in, imagine the rainbows of the stones entering your body. The play of colors form a healing light that surrounds your entire aura. You feel relaxed and refreshed. With each breath out, release the thoughts and feelings of darkness. Let go of the mental pain and emotional anguish that has been taking a toll on your soul. Release the burdens of everyday living. Watch as they float away through the midnight air, never to be seen again. Now close your eyes, and through the vision of your psychic third eye, imagine gazing into the sky. Here, in the cloak of night, the new moon awaits. It is a round, gray silhouette, the lunar light that is ready to bestow you with the new beginnings that you desire. Take 3 deep breaths. Now you are ready to take a new moon bath. You are ready to harness the power of the moon into your Labradorite gemstones and into your entire body. As you gaze up at the new moon with your third eye, you notice several beams beginning to form. They descend from the cosmos down to your Labradorite crystals. Perfect, beautiful beams of light light up the sky, forming a channel between you and Goddess Luna. With each moment that passes, this connection and this gateway grows stronger and stronger. Your worries wash away, and you receive the calming forces of the moon into your stones and into your body. The moon cleanses you with each breath. Continue to strengthen this bond as you sit silently in the peaceful night. The singing bowl indicates your time to journey for however long you wish. You are now in perfect harmony with the new moon. You are the receptor of positive change, healing light, and hope. Solidify this channel of light, connecting you to the sky by mentally or verbally repeating each of these moon mantras 3 times. The light of Luna illuminates the darkness. The light of Luna illuminates the darkness. The light of Luna illuminates the darkness. The light of Labradorite ignites my soul. The light of Labradorite ignites my soul. The light of Labradorite ignites my soul. The light of my spirit is a vessel of change. The light of my spirit is the vessel of change. The light of my spirit is the vessel of change. Now bathe in new moon magic, which gets stronger and stronger with each passing moment. You are a strong, powerful, and important being of the earth. You have work to do here on the planet. In a minute, you will wish upon the moon and ask for a dream to come true. Think of one thing that you would like to change in your life right now. Now that you have thought of one change you would like in your life, you are going to send that message up through the channel of light. That moonbeam, which connects your Labradorite crystal to the new moon, is like a mail chute. Your words are going to fly right up to the moon, your desires heard by the cosmos. Send up your message now. You have now completed your connection with the new moon for this month. You have received lunar light and inspiration. You have sent your desires up to the sky. Now you are ready to return back to your earthly space and continue your worldly mission. Throughout the entire month, you will feel a deep sense of connection and oneness. Even as you walk through your day, you know that the moon is always with you. You will find it easier to follow your intuition, easier to walk the path of light, and easier to manifest your desires. Your Labradorite stones have captured the magic of the moon. Anytime you need encouragement or inspiration, grab hold of your crystals and jewels and feel them vibrate with lunar energy. You are now ready to emerge from the meditation. With the numbers 1 through 5, you shall slowly return to the state of normality. Starting with number 1, give thanks to the moon and feel great knowing that you can come back here next month at the next new moon. Number 2, give thanks to the planet for being your home and your provider. Number 3, feel yourself back in your physical space. Feel the Labradorite stones in your hand and breathe in your surroundings. 4, begin to hear the sounds around you and become aware of the rhythm of your breath. And 5, open your eyes to a sense of peace and renewal. As you emerge from the meditation, take your time to slowly reintegrate with the physical world. Hold your Moki marbles or your favorite grounding stones and drink your water to fully realign your bodies. If you enjoyed this Labradorite new moon meditation, join us at Satin Crystals for additional guided meditations, positive affirmations, monthly crystal horoscopes, and a whole world of crystal healing knowledge. While you're there, join the Satin Crystals VIP Club for members-only specials throughout the year. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals, and thank you for spreading your positive light throughout the world.